That is my cassava, my chips cassava. Hello everybody, today I'm making cassava chips. This is cassava. It's a root that is like back home in Africa. What we do is the stick. We cut the cassava stick from the one we've already uprooted, cut it, chop it up, and just put it under the soil, and that is it. Couple of days it start growing. Before you know, it get this tuber like a yam. But this is cassava. So I'm gonna be showing you how I do my cassava chips. You know, watch out for my cassava chips, guys. So this is the cassava. So normally people are asking me, oh, what you cook on your channel, how, do you eat them or do you throw them away? No, every food you see I cook on my channel, I eat them. It's for our own personal consumption. Mostly when I cook African food, some, you know, my partner eats, some I eat, not some, all I eat. Like today I'm making cassava chips. Well, I'm gonna boil it, then fry it in the oil and eat with crayfish and tomato sauce. So watch out, guys. So after cutting them, you remove all these stems, take them away. Then you cut them in any shape you want, like a chips, you know. They've all been sliced now. So I'm going to wash them, parboil them before I fry them in the oil. Okay, guys, keep watching and thank you. So this is the cassava peeled and then chopped up. So I'm gonna be washing it now. Water is boiling now, so I'm gonna be tipping in the cassava. Because I'm not a salt person, I don't really use salt in my cookings, if you notice it. So as the water is boiling, you can tip in a little bit of pinch of salt. It's up to you, whatever you want. You can even boil it with sugar, so when you are eating the chips after fried, you know, you can have that taste you want. So right now I'm tipping in the cassava in the boiling water. So I will allow it to boil for like 5 minutes or 3 minutes to 5 minutes. Then strain it, allow it to get dry, drain a little bit before I start frying it. I can use air fryer if I want, but I just want to fry it with oil, you know. See, it's boiling now. So I'm going to strain it and allow it to get dry before I start frying it. So I will allow it to get dry, then if I start frying it in a minute. It's time now to fry my, put in the oil. That is the cassava chips. Putting some onions in the oil. Tell me how hot the temperature is. I use my onions to know when to put the chips in there, okay? So when I fry it from the frying pan, I'll put it in here. See my kitchen towel to soak in the oil. You can see the onions is frying. That will tell you how hot the oil is. Basically, you literally put it carefully, okay guys? Put it carefully. Look how crispy is it? Brown and crispy. Look. Dip in the onion. Hello people. Hey, I'm gonna be washing. Show you how I clean my fish before I use it to cook. First of all, I need to sanitize the sink first. You know. This is the fish, Talipia fish, as usual. Washing it. Use the scissors to cut it. If you don't have scissors, you can use your knife to clean them. But with me, the scissors is easy. The kitchen scissors, not the scissors you use to cut your nails or your fingers. This must be a kitchen scissors, okay guys? dry it with the kitchen towel before I put it in the baking pan. It's dry now. Gonna be roasted in the oven. So what I'm gonna do, put in my seasoning, mix it, and then the fish is going in the oven now to be grilled. You can fry it. You can fry your own fish if you want, but sometimes, like, you know, just to eat healthy sometimes, you know. Fish is ready now, so I'm gonna be putting it here and here. This is the sauce I'm making to eat my cassava chips and my grilled fish. This is my already parboiled tomatoes, chili pepper, garlic, onions, ground and parboiled. Simmer it to reduce the water. These are my spices I'm gonna be using. These are my chopped pepper and my chili powder. These are frozen chopped peppers, you know, bonnet pepper chopped. You can buy them in the supermarket. This is my chopped onions, garlic and ginger, and a cube, 1 cube Maggi cube. And that is my frying pan on the fire. This is yummy, man. It's yummy. So I'm gonna be dishing it, putting the tomato sauce I just cooked now in there to eat with the chips. Guys, that is cassava chips. Very delicious, guys. Very, very delicious. That is my great tilapia, my tomato sauce, and cassava chips, guys. This is delicious. You just dip it in there like you eat your chips at home or fried yam. This is heaven. Guys, have a go at this at home. And thank you for watching. And bye.